Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Capital One account. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. The first thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL capitalone.com. Once you enter the URL, you'll be forwarded to this page and click on the sign in button at the top right. So after you do that, click on the setup online access button below. Once you do that, you'll then be required to enter some of your personal information. So enter your last name, and then you'll be required to enter your social security number or ITIN number. If you do not have a social security number or ITIN number, you can use your bank account number instead. If you want to do that, click on use bank account number instead button. Once you enter that, you'll then be required to enter your date of birth. After you enter all of your information, click on get started. You'll then be proceeded to the other sections where you'll need to enter some of your... After you enter all of your information, click on get started. You'll then be proceeded to the other sections where you'll need to enter some of your information. So after you fill in all your information, your Capital One bank account will be created. So there you have it. That's how you sign up for the Capital One bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.